I've chosen Roald Dahl's Revolting Rhymes, which I think is absolutely fantastic. And I've chosen my favourite story in here, Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf. A slightly different version. As soon as Wolf began to feel that he would like a decent meal, he went and knocked on Grandma's door, and when Grandma opened it, she saw the sharp white teeth, the horrid grin, and Wolf said, "May I come in?" Poor Grandmama was terrified. "He's going to eat me up!" she cried. And she was absolutely right. He ate her up with one big bite. But Grandmama was small and tough, and Wolfie wailed, "That's not enough! I haven't yet begun to feel that I have had a decent meal." He ran around the kitchen yelping, "I've got to have a second helping!" Then added, with a frightful leer, "I'm therefore going to wait right here till little Miss Red Riding Hood comes home from walking in the wood." He quickly put on Grandma's clothes. Of course, he hadn't eaten those. He dressed himself in coat and hat. He put on shoes, and after that he brushed and curled his hair, then sat himself in Grandma's chair. In came the little girl in red. She stopped, she stared, and then she said, "What great big ears you have, Grandma." "Oh, the better to hear you with," the Wolf replied. "What great big eyes you have, Grandma," said Little Red Riding Hood. "Oh, the better to see you with," the Wolf replied. He sat there watching her and smiled. He thought, "I'm going to eat this child. Compared with her old Grandmama, she's going to taste like caviar." Then Little Red Riding Hood said, "But Grandmama, what a lovely big furry coat you have on." "That's wrong!" the Wolf cried. "Have you forgot to tell me what big teeth I've got?" "Ah well, no matter what you say, I'm going to eat you anyway." The small girl smiles. One eyelid flickers. She whips a pistol from her knickers. She aims it at the creature's head, and bang, bang, bang! She shoots him dead. A few weeks later in the wood, I came across Miss Riding Hood. But what a change! No cloak of red, no silly hood upon her head. She said, "Hello, and do please note my lovely furry wolfskin coat." The end.